Welcome to another video by NTA. Today was a good day if you were long in Tesla. At least, well, it was for me. Anyway, let's just dive right into the chart. It doesn't look too significant, the move we had today. However, if we open up to a smaller time frame, let's say the 15-minute, you could see for the past couple of days, since the 13th, which was Thursday last week, we've been in this consolidation. And we've been trapped there until, well, the morning of today, which is February 19th. Let me just draw a little zone so you could see what I'm talking about. We'll call the high of this consolidation around 358 and the low around 347. Why do I think this is significant? Well, we've been in this chop for almost a week, since Thursday last week. And we've been chopping around from about 358 all the way down to 346. We did have a little bit of a breakout here at open on Friday, but we failed right back into this zone. But today we broke out, and not only did we hold above it, we tested it a couple times. If you're a bull, you're definitely going to want to see us hold above this area here at around 358. And then the next area that we're going to need a breakout of is here about, let's just call it 364. You can see that's where our buying pressure was contained today. We did obviously go above it, but failed right back below it, retested this area here at 358, came back up, tested it, fell back below, and consolidated and ended the day around 360. Personally, I don't believe that this trend line here will contain buying pressure for too long. It's just not a significant area of previous support. It was just an area where we had a little bounce and then we quickly fell right under it. Somewhere where there's a little bit more structure would be this area of support here at around 377. Hey, look, that matches up with the 20-day SMA. I think if we are currently in a retracement for a move lower or a continuation lower, this is going to be the area where you're really going to want to keep an eye out on. That's if we get up to there. Also, if we zoom out a little bit, it actually might be more like 379, low 370s. It has some significance. I don't think a trend line really does that justice. I think more so a range. So previous support here, another support right here which broke. I think there's a ton of confluence. Again, assuming we keep pushing higher, we're obviously not going to shoot straight up. It is possible if we gap up. Again, all my bulls, go ahead, comment to the moon, couple rocket emojis, maybe a moon if you're feeling spicy. Now, the 20-day SMA is not exactly a point where there's going to be an immediate rejection if price does continue to move down, if we are in fact in a retracement in our downtrend. But you could see the 20-day SMA is a good place for price to revert to once it gets a little further away from it. Currently, we're not that far away from it, but we are moving back towards it since the local low here. I really like this little region right here, this little zone. I believe price wants to move here. Again, not financial advice. I'm not trying to predict the future here or anything. Just to me, it seems highly probable that we're going to move back into this area. You can see, we've kind of built support off of this retracement. Question is can we get up into the golden pocket here? I believe so. I believe we can. Now, once we get here, this is where you're going to want to be careful. This is where we could probably just reverse and then keep on going back down. That is part of my original thesis from a couple videos back. I do think that eventually Tesla's going to have to catch up, or at least the 200-day simple moving average is going to have to catch up to price. Whether price just stalls out and it catches up, that might just be how it happens. Or if we get this nice little retracement and fall back down, that'd be real nice. I'd love to see that. That's going to wrap the video up. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.